lesson, we're going to be talking about graphs and charts. Graphs and charts are the most efficient methods of displaying information in a simple manner. We will be looking at different types of graphs and charts. The first one we have is the pie chart. It is a cycle that is divided into segments. Each segment represents a particular category. The area of each segment is proportional to the number of cases in that category. Let's look at this example here. It says the following chart shows how a family spends yearly income of $81,000. How much money does the family spend on transportation? So, if we take a look at the pie chart a little bit closer, we will notice that transportation, which is the gray part, is 15% of our pie chart. This means that 15% of the pie of the 31,000 goes to transport. So we can calculate that, saying the amount that goes into transport would be the 15% multiplied by the total, giving us $4,650. The next type of graph we have is a histogram. The histogram graph here, we see that the width of our intervals is of about 15 years. And we can see this is from 0 to 14, 15 years, and then from 15 to 29, from 30 to 45. So the difference in between is around 15 years. The scale on the left here is indicating the number of tenants in each year that occupied a building. The length of each bar indicates how many tenants in the building fall within a specific age group. So, let's look at this question that says how many tenants are there altogether living in the building. So we see that between the ages of 0 to 14, we have about 5, between 15 to 29, 3, between 30 to 44, 7, between 45 to 49, 4, between 60 to 64, 5, between 75 to 89, 9, and with more than 90, we also have 9. If we add those all together, we'll see that there are 49 tenants living in the building. Next one we have is a line graph. The position of each dot in our line graph shows the average price of tea in the different years. So here we can clearly see in 1982, the price was somewhere between 80 and 60, being at 70. So the question says, in what year did the first average more than 90 cents per pound? So more than 90 cents we are here, and 90, and we can clearly see years less than 1983, we were at less than 90, and for the year that we were greater than 1983, then we had 90 cents per pound. Let's take a look at an example of a bar graph. The bar graph shows the amount of electricity used daily on the average by a certain customer in each of the 13 successive months. So this is how much the person used in January, this is February, March, and we're just looking at their average daily electric use. So let's look at the question. A says, how many kilowatt hours did this customer use daily during March to the nearest whole number? So we'll go to March over here, and we would look at how much they use, and we would see that they use 3 kilowatt hour. Then for B, it says during 4 of the months shown, the customer used the same number of kilowatt hours per day. Which months are these? So we're going to look at the mode, which number showed up the most. So 4 shows up 4 times, right? And the question wanted to know during which 4 months the customer used the same. So we can see this is January, February, April, and January the next year. And this person here used 4 kilowatt hour. So they made a mistake. The height there is 4. We can clearly break it off our graph.